You gotta keep going, because if you stop, regret is it is a miserable thing. Welcome back to Tommensense, everyone. So today's message is a short one, but a very powerful one as I look towards the future. I'm at a state right now where I'll be honest with you guys, it's kind of difficult. And I've been going through this thing for over 2 months now. And there seems to be these obstacles that keep coming up that I can't deal with. I can't control it. I have no effect on these things. The only thing I can do is wait. And so what is this video about? This message is for all those who are going through the exact same stuff. So if you're in a struggle right now where you feel like you're just hitting this wall and it doesn't want to break, let me tell you, I'm excited. I am excited for what the future holds. And you're probably thinking, why am I excited? Well, I'm excited because I know that I am coming up against a new ceiling. And that's what I keep feeling. That's why this verse, Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. That's why I feel like I'm hitting this ceiling and I know I'm going to break through. It's going to happen. I want you guys to keep going. So as a Christian, it is so important not to lean on your own understanding to figure out, why am I stuck? But the key is to keep going. Just for clarity and so everybody understands what's happening. My license was finally approved, but now I am hitting another brick wall with some issues that I can't stop and prevent. So what am I doing? I'm trying to do everything else that I can to possibly move my business forward. I can't submit business yet. So for all my clients and all the people that are waiting for me to reply I'm waiting. And there's obstacles I need to jump through and hoops I never even foresaw coming. But I'm still moving forward. And so I'm excited. Tomorrow will be the first day that I will have been approved by the first product provider that I get to work with. So I'm really excited about that. I can finally start helping certain people because that product will be a good fit for them. Now, for all my other clients, I gotta wait. There's nothing I can do because I know that some of those products that they're waiting for, I'm not with that current insurance company. So it's been very difficult for me to just sit back. But again, through all of this, I know that God's working for His benefit through me. So the way I react, the way I talk to people, the way that I process the difficulty that I'm currently sitting in, the struggle I'm facing today is something I'm like looking forward to because of what it's going to make me like in, even a month from now. I can't wait to go back to this video once it's posted like a month from now and be like, man, I was struggling, but you know what? I went through it. Now imagine how good that would feel if you did the same thing. Record yourself, post a YouTube video and say, listen, this is the struggle today as I sit here with all your raw emotions and everything else. And it'd be like, what did God do for me through this process that I've learned about myself, that I had a chance to grow, that I helped other people, that I didn't stop? God's got a bigger plan for you than you even know. So to be concerned with the struggle today is not that concerning as much as it is, because pain and struggle, it's relative, which means that there's somebody going through much worse than you are. And even though I feel like, oh my goodness, woe is me, I know that there's people going through much worse. And so I don't want to minimize their feelings and their struggles by what I'm going through, because I do believe I am blessed. I just want to encourage you guys to keep going. When you hit that obstacle and it feels like you should just tear it all apart and just go down the easy road, that's a clear indication that you shouldn't. That's a life lesson. That is a huge life lesson. So make sure that when you hit a wall, you keep going. You gotta keep going. Because if you stop, regret is it is a miserable thing. And I don't want to have any regrets. I'm too old for regrets, and I'm glad that I don't live with regrets. I don't have any regrets because they were all just lessons that I had to learn. And yes, I'm looking to get better. I'm not looking to make those same mistakes again. So I just want to pray for you guys, and I want to encourage you to understand that, especially if you're a Christian, God's got a plan for you. So keep praying, and just know that the good Lord is watching over you, and He's got a better plan than you do for you. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and X and all those other platforms. Tommensense, because common sense isn't so common.